Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Swami and today I am going to show you how to install Apache Tomcat to your PC. So let's get started. So first we will download Apache Tomcat. So let's do it. We will open Google and here we will type Apache Tomcat download. Yeah, this link. We will click on the first link because this is the official site. Okay, let's click it. It's opening. Now guys, it's Tomcat 8, so we will go to Tomcat 9 and we will scroll down and here it is, the installer. Yeah, then we will click on first. Let's choose a folder where to put it and then start download. Okay, so guys, while it is getting downloaded, I want to tell you something, that you should have JDK installed into your system. If you don't have JDK, you need to install JDK first. JDK means Java Development Kit. It is needed guys. It will ask you while the installation time, so let it be completed and you guys make sure that you have JDK installed into your system. So now it seems it is done. Okay, wait. Yeah, it is done. Download is completed. Okay guys, now you will learn how to install it. So before installing Apache Tomcat, we must do the following thing guys. Turn off your antivirus protection and turn off Windows Firewall. If you don't do the above, installation process may be blocked either by your antivirus or by Windows Firewall. So we will first, in my case I am using Microsoft Essentials, so I will turn it off, the protection. So I will go to setting and then real-time protection, then I will turn it off as long as the installation is on process. Okay, after installation we will revert it back and then we will go to control panel. This one is, yeah, then we will go to system security, not this one but this one, system security. Okay, here we will find an option of Windows Firewall, this one. So click there. Yeah, default Windows Firewall is on, so we need to turn it off. So go to turn Windows feature on or off. Yeah, default it is on, so we will turn off this one and below this one click on OK. Yeah, it's done. Now we will open the installer. It is in download. Yeah, this one, Apache Tomcat 9. Next. Yeah, next. I agree. Yeah, guys, change here. It's full, so you will have all the features. Next. Yeah, here I will type the username and password. It's admin password, so type a name. I will type here, my name is Swami, so Swami I will type, and password I will type. You guys set your password. It should be greater than 6 letter. Then next. Yeah guys, this one, here it is asking the Java path where your jar is installed. Okay, then install. Okay, let it install and after that we will check whether it is installed properly or not. So decheck these options, this one and this one, then finish. Okay, now it is done, so refresh it. Now guys, we will go to the installation path. It is program files, Apache Software Foundation, this one, Tomcat 9 and web apps. So guys, here we will create a virtual folder and we will put all our program files here. So type a name, my apps. Okay, let it be, open my apps. Here we will put all our program files. So it is also done. So now test a program to check whether Tomcat is working properly or not. So check it. I have opened Sublime. So type a program, an HTML program, HTML. Okay, HTML close. So close HTML, the tag is closed. Okay, now guys, save it first. I'm going to save it. So save it. I will save it onto the desktop. Type a name, my test1. I will give okay.html. Save it. Okay, here I will type body and type a message here. So I will type hi viewers. Okay, this is a test program. Okay, let me. Okay, now save it again. Guys, it is done. So typical HTML program. Close it. This one. So viewers, we will copy the file from here and we will paste it to that location where we have created a folder, my apps. This one. So we will paste the file over here. Okay, refresh. Okay, now it is done. So yeah, we need to run it. So we will again go to the installation folder. So program files, Apache, found this one, and here the application is loaded in bin folder. So click there, and below this one is the application. So we will create a shortcut. Yeah, close it. Now we will double click on that icon. Start type, I will set it manual, and I will click on start. Okay, it's getting started. Okay, now I need to open a browser. Okay, remove that link. So type here localhost, and the port number is 8080. So type colon and 8080. Press enter. Let it open. Yeah, Apache Tomcat index page has been opened. So guys, we know our virtual folder name was my apps. So type here my apps slash, and the file name was my test1.html. Enter. Yeah, it's run. Hi viewers, this is a test programs. So when it's running, we'll just zoom it to show you properly. Hi viewers, this is a test program. Done. It's completed. Thank you. Hi viewers, I have developed two Android games, Lucky Archer and Indian Hero vs Alien. These two games are available in Google Play Store for free. I would request my every viewers to download and play these games, and please give your valuable feedbacks. So the first one is Lucky Archer. Viewers, this is a completely new type of archery game published first time in Google Play Store. So let's watch a demo. Here, a gift box containing a gold coin falling from the sky. If you shoot the gift box, you will get coins ranging from 0 to 2000. No balloons or animals is shown over here. I haven't used anything like that. Second one is Indian Hero vs Alien. This game will make you remember the old days arcade game. Its target audience is the people of all ages. So let's watch a demo of this game also. Here you have to shoot aliens which will spawn one after another. So this is the game, guys. So viewers, please download these games. These games are absolutely free in Google Play Store. So thanks for watching.